model, 68-plate Peugeot BOXER 335L3 diesel 2.0 BlueHDi Luton 160ps plus body, white, Luton, box mileage, 109925 MOT, the 8th of December 2023 engine, 1997 cc DW10 FUC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Check engine light on the dash. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is quite rough. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, air-con, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.